Yeah, man, welcome back. Welcome to another video here, boys. Your boy Power. Shout out to everyone very lucky love to Gambia. Right now in the Coco Jungle. So can someone just where am I anymore? But I'm trying to find lucky child. I don't see him where he's been. So I'm looking at every place, sagging every place. I see lucky child. Lucky child man atara muntu ma fangole. Man can dal
You
build
will not
no.
see me there. You will not see me.
Lucky child muntu ma
See
fangole
nobody.
fang.
You can't see me.
Lucky child is
Island
hiding in
looking
the Coco Jungle. So
in
this
the
Coco
cocoa
Jungle can see
trees.
how Coco Jungle is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yo,
Yeah,
man.
man.
See, I see that you hide
Island.
up there in the cocoa
Yeah,
trees, in
man.
the
I
cocoa
don't down in the
jungle.
cocoa trees, man. Cocoa jungle, cocoa land, cocoa farm, big cocoa farm life and direct in the capital city of the Gambia. So greetings, as we always said, voice from the motherland, voice from Africa, voice from Banjul, the capital city of the Gambia. So cocos are part of, life. What is life without tree? What is life without nature? So this is it. Where the Gambians can build the Gambia and bring back the tourism, bring back agriculture. Even mina, yeah, nanal. You know what I mean? So this is it. So this is the project, on the big side, right? And I can see a lot of cocos are producing full, what I mean? So bigger than yourself. So I can simply call it Coco Island in Banjul. Yes, so the beach, Coco Island in Banjul, the capital city of the motherland. Iparita, you satisfied? You okay?
Yeah.
Bless up,
So
huh?
you can walk around.
Yeah, we walk around and then show you the movement right. I'm waiting between Banjul, the capital city, just from doing a video for wonderful, nice Gambia, and here go a
Yeah,
platform
come
called
this other
Lucky Love
side.
the Gambia. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
come this other side.
Come there. So remember that we are working and with in the cocoa trees, in cocoa trees, but there's the beach side. You can spot the beach, and remember we're in the um, capital city of the Gambia, and that's the mouth of the Atlantic Ocean, and you can spot Barra over there. Remember Banjul, the capital city of the
It's
Gambia,
in North Bank.
is in North Bank. It's in Nyomi.
Yeah.
So Nyomi is where our capital is, Banjul. But I love this joining hand or this joint force to plant cocoa trees around the big side, wonderful big side. Look at this. Look at this. How amusing it is. So we can build our Gambia with green. We can build Gambia with structures. We can build the Gambia with one heart, one love. So this is what I am looking for, and this what make me to move on to show you the unique, wonderful Gambia. So right now, comme ka fale nyame rek wato le tije rek na capital ogono Banjul. So Papa ji, can
Yeah.
we walk down to the beach and show them the Atlantic Ocean, the Gambia, the only country that border with whole world through the Atlantic Ocean. Yeah, the Gambia, the smiling coast, the unique coast. So we love the cocoa trees anyway. Ah. So you want us still to show them the cocoa trees?
Yeah, so we are walking down there. I got
All good. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, man, that's Banjul.
Yeah, Banjul City.
As everyone watching this video, please drop in a comment that let us know where you're watching us from. If you are from
So just
Banjul,
after that ferry that you see over there
yes,
is where you spot
terminal.
the terminal, the
Yeah,
ferry where to
that's the post
join the
authority
ferry to
is.
Barra, Banjul Barra, you know. They have the boys them playing football around. So love it ago. Banjul, Sunyu Banjul, Sunyu Gambia, Sunyu Africa. Yes, man. Yeah.
That's the place where we are heading to. But
Hmm?
I said that's the place where we are heading to.
Where? There?
Yeah,
The Afra place.
yeah, that's
The grill
that was the
place.
grill place, you know.
You know, you come to Banjul,
Yeah, but lucky child.
you come and do your grill thing there.
Lucky child.
Yes, man.
How do you see these cocoa trees and how with the just beside the riverside?
Yeah,
How it look like?
it's another powerful oxygen for the Banjul cans and for the whole of Gambia because the sea breeze, huh? Plus the coconut um, breeze, it is equals to oxygen to our people in Banjul. So it's part of life, you know, and it's nature, you know what I mean? So each and every beach area, especially tourism industrial side, we need to plant more cocoa trees, you know, that will keep, you know, keep us to have more natural oxygen, you know what I mean? Because the Gambia is full of sunset and the sunrise. The sunlight is very nice and powerful. So, so it's so unique, so wonderful. So shout out to each and everyone that contribute on this project. So I'm proud of Banjul cast and I'm proud of the Gambians who are working hard every day. Down there in abroad, in diaspora, in America, in China, in Japan, in Norway, anywhere they are learning skills and knowledge. I say, and also they are investing in Africa, in the Gambia, saying shout out and salute to you all the time and always. But remember that it is not only in combos we have to do videos for you. We show you the city, we show you the town, we go to the villages and we go off the road. The villages we are not that much popular in the country, so we are working on a project on something that before we move further, and also as I said in one of our video that we have a maker registration, one of our charity foundation that we are open that, and also we have already registered. So very soon we will introduce you the charity organization that we built, me and Pabaji and one of my brother in UK, Lamin. So soon I will introduce you through that and then also make a joining hand to develop the Gambia, to help the needies and the people who are out there in provinces. So we are saying like subscribe, like, comment, and share to your favorite platform. I am the Prince of Africa, the Eye of the Gambia, Pabaji behind the camera. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Thank you for watching. As Lucky Child say, subscribe and share. Comment always if you are watching this video live from in Banjul. See, if you're watching this video, I know you're gonna love this video because I see the exercises going on as you can see. And when you are here in Banjul, my brother, I'm talking to you. I know you are from Banjul. Shout out to yourself, yeah? Yeah, man. Banjul.